I've been back in here doing lots of testing again, and what I can work out so far is that this loom inside the cabin actually looks okay. Now I've got a term of reference. I'm getting the same grounds here that I am in the other one, assuming that this loom in here is actually okay. That's prompted me to possibly change the mode or the method that I'm going to use to get this beastie going. So I'm thinking that I'm just going to remove the wiring looms from the engine bay, from this one, so they can go into this one, and then hopefully the thing will start, run, and it'll be a whole lot less work that I've got to do. Worst thing that can happen is it can go boom, or the blue smoke escapes again, and then I'm back to square one. I'm going to give it a go anyway. It's something else I've also realised. The main reason I was going to do the engine swap and everything was because the plugs, the connectors on the old looms are just so brittle. Then I realised I've got a heap of brand new connectors that are just on the other looms that I can just pull off and swap them over. So I'm not really going to save myself any extra work. I don't think. I do think. I don't know what I think. I was watching an episode of Matt's Off-Road Recovery from the US, all very wholesome and stuff, but I don't think they realised the sign they were standing in front of was slightly modified.
I've been in here a dozen times in the last 6 months. And Carter's going to be coming along to help with the filming. Do you guys know my youngest son, Carter, even? I've known a couple videos. All right.
You serious? Yeah, tickle my funny bone. So having come to this brilliant conclusion, it's just going to be now a matter of take all these looms out. Most of these plugs are brand new. Well, these ones, it doesn't really matter, they're not a problem, but everything under there, everything's the injectors, that's all brand new. If I have to, I'll just take the connectors off and put them on the other loom. For now, I'm just going to get all of this back off. There we go. I might actually go to the other one and take a heap of photos of where everything's located. Might be a smart move. Ow. That's all of them. Put those ones down here. We're not going to get a video of that. Starter motor leads. Got one more down there, I think that's a 14. That's a 13.
Bust it up, ain't no doubt this reggae ain't going far. Rusted frame, dying flame sitting in the yard. Little chicks that was slick, but she's long gone.
Okay, got that one.
Land Cruiser, just crooning this old song. Little bit dollar spent, but it still don't move.
And there we go. That's it.
Try to pride, what else can prove?
That was an ordeal. I think it's about 2 o'clock in the morning. It's still friggin' hot in here. I'm cooked. It's probably enough for tonight.
Bust it up, fucked up, broke down this Land Cruiser, it's nothing but stress. Ain't gonna ride, just this some old trick. Never leave the shed, never leave the shed. World stains, busted chains, can't find no relief.